Have an old Norton Ghost backup image you need to restore or extract files from? These disk images are still recoverable with the right tools, even though Ghost is discontinued. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Norton Ghost disk images. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening Ghost files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. A disk image file created by Norton Ghost, a powerful disk cloning and backup application. This file contains an exact sector-by-sector copy of a hard drive or partition. Users search for this when they need to restore a system from a backup, recover individual files, or migrate to a new hard drive. The Ghost file is a proprietary binary format designed for high-speed disk imaging. It stores raw disk data, often with compression, to reduce file size. The format supports spanning across multiple media, like CDs or DVDs, and includes checksums to ensure the integrity of the backup image during restoration. For reliable opening, Norton Ghost by Symantec, now Gen Digital, offers the best solution for Ghost. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows may recognize the disk image format, but using it requires a proper mounting tool. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your Ghost file and choose Open With. Test Norton Ghost first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If your Ghost file will not open, do not worry. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the Ghost problem to one of 3 basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, restoring with Norton Ghost. Use Norton Ghost or Symantec Ghost Solution Suite to mount or restore the image. Launch the application and select the Ghost file as the source. Then choose a target disk or partition for restoration. The tool reconstructs the original disk contents, including operating system and files. Next, mounting with Ghost Explorer. Install Ghost Explorer, a utility included with Norton Ghost that allows browsing Ghost images without full restoration. Open the Ghost file in Explorer to navigate the image's file structure and extract individual files or folders directly to your current system. Finally, converting to VMDK. Use tools like Symantec Ghost's conversion features or third-party utilities to convert Ghost images to VMDK or VHD format. The converted virtual disk can be mounted in VMware or Hyper-V for file access, or used to boot the original system as a virtual machine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.